Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to do the Genshin Impact gameplay while using the real-time floating FPS meter in the Realme X1 Max device after recent Realme UI 3.0 update. So after this update, we do get this kind of real-time floating FPS meter, friends, so which is really great to use while gaming the Genshin Impact. Let's see what will be the real-time FPS we can actually get while using the high graphics settings in this phone. That's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. So this is going to be really very interesting to see how well the phone gonna handle this kind of performance in this device regarding the Genshin Impact. So we'll be even concentrating on the CPU and the GPU percentage, how much it's kind of utilizing during this process of testing. So even those things you can actually look at here regarding the CPU and GPU percentages. Right now the temperature is not that high at this moment, it's only 28 degrees Celsius, and after some time definitely the temperatures will increase, I think close to 40 degrees as well. Right now it's still 28 degrees only, so it's going to increase little by little. We need to start the stopwatch. So let's play the game for about some time, so not a long time, only for some time. I'll try to play the game just to see what's happening with the holographics. And let me go to the settings option, and let's go to the graphics, and let me select the highest quality and 60 FPS. I'm going to select, yes, 60 FPS, and everything is set to the high and maximum. Everything is perfect, right? So right now we will be able to see exactly real-time FPS meter what is happening. Yes, there is a lot of some kind of lag and frame drops. As you can see, there's a couple of frame drops. 33, oh my god, it's happening a lot. I'm still only just walking, that's it. I'm not in some kind of normal fight, nothing at all. Even with the normal walking itself, there's some kind of frame drops is happening randomly. CPU and the GPU percentage, you can see how much utilization is about at this moment, the CPU and the GPU percentage. So CPU utilizing about 98% the CPU. You can clearly see friends, 98%, 92% as well. Regarding the utilization, how it's happening. Let's play the normal fight. Let's see what will happen with this kind of testing. Right now, as you can see, the frame drops are kind of 49, 60. It's maintaining sometimes, not bad. .53 is dropping, 53. As you can see, there is a drop of 40 FPS as well. The frame drops, you can clearly see friends what's happening. So right now not bad, 48 FPS it's maintaining, 48 in 57. 38, it even dropped to 38 FPS as well during this process of gaming. Definitely there will be increase in the temperatures, and CPU and the GPU utilization, you can see how much it's utilizing. 100% utilizing friends regarding the CPU and the GPU. You can clearly see utilization is a lot in this phone at this moment. So I can actually feel a lot of heat coming from the back side and front side as well. Yes, let's do another fight here. Right now, as you can see, 51 FPS is maintaining. .42, not bad. Regarding the FPS count, overall it's maintaining pretty good and decent. Let's check the temperatures, what's happening. 36.8 degrees Celsius, 37 degrees Celsius as well. The temperature increased. 10 degrees has been increased from 27 and 28 to 37 within 4 minutes of time only. As you can see, the FPS dropped to 28 and 30 FPS as well. The overall the FPS dropped 44, 30 FPS right now we are getting, as you can see friends, exactly. It's dropping a lot. I think in 34, it's not unable to maintain that kind of maintenance. I mean FPS, it's not maintaining that much. So overall it dropped low as 28 FPS as well. It's a pretty low FPS, 28. As you can see friends, it's dropping pretty much. 34 we are getting, 34. 20 FPS as well, 20. Oh my god, that's pretty low. So just only normal gameplay I'm trying to do, just couple of minutes of gameplay only, just to demonstrate what is happening. So overall the FPS is not that highly stable anyway. I mean, while I'm trying to do it's kind of okay, it's kind of playable but not as smooth as a Snapdragon 870. As you can see friends, overall FPS maintaining around 43. So let's see, this is the final fight which I'm going to demonstrate in this video, and here we'll be able to conclude what's happening overall. As you can see, overall the FPS it's kind of maintaining. So wow, there's a huge drop in the frames. So after playing, I think about close to 8 minutes of time, temperature increased to 39 and 40 degrees as well. As you can clearly see friends, 40 degrees the temperatures increased. So this is a quick demonstration friends, playing the Genshin Impact gameplay in the Realme X and Max device after the update. These are the statistics which we got right now. And overall, I think temperature is slightly kind of increasing more than usual while playing the Genshin Impact in this device. So right now we got to know the testing as well after playing for about I think close to 10 minutes of time as well. As you can see, 10 minutes of time exactly, and temperatures also did reach up to 41 degrees Celsius during this process of testing. 41 degrees it did increase. That's it friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates, and FPS dropped to 30, 28 as well, sometimes random it's dropping. And meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned, and definitely there is a huge drop using with the high graphic settings. Meanwhile, signing off. Until then, stay tuned for updates. Bye.